Now this is the inside after we did prepare for the service on Sunday the 4th of what month is it? Of October, the 4th of October. So pastor is signing something on the floor because we're gonna put restoration divine and action in Haiti. So this is the front where the service is gonna be, and this is the inside of the church, and you will see in the future what the Lord can do. So that's why we have this for the next time. We can show restoration of that church in the future. You will see the difference between now and then. In the name of Jesus. In the name of the Holy Land. Amen. This is the beginning. God always starts from the beginning and He will finish. Amen. The people, this is early. The people are not here yet. Later, I will show you the people that will attend it to the service. Amen.